What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over C. I actually just stumbled upon this coin on Twitter. I know a lot of people might know what it is, but I really never know what I really never knew what this was. I did a little bit of research on it, and this thing is fast. This thing is so fast, and it's only at a $2.2 billion market cap. They're comparing it to Sui. They're comparing it to Solana. Like kind of like a Solana killer. And I guess Sui and C are going to be one of the big ones this bull run. Which one's going to be the most dominant one? Well, Sui already ran. This has not ran yet. So I am picking SEI here because I'll show you why in the charts. It's gearing up to rock and roll. All-time high was 8 months ago. You're down 52%. All-time low was a year ago at 400 or at 9.5 cents. If we look at the max, this coin has never seen a bull run yet. I love layer ones that have never seen or bull runs before. That's why I like my Sui. I like my SEI. SEI, in my personal opinion, has the opportunity to make some big gains at a $2.2 billion market cap. Currently available on the following markets. We have Binance, BitGet, Bybit, Gate.io, Mexi, Coinbase. So if you want it, you can find it somewhere. There's 11 different pages of exchanges that it's on. So with that, let's get to the price prediction and technical analysis on C. All right, everybody, let's get into SEI here. I don't know how you say, is it C? Is it C or do you just say SEI? I'm just gonna say SEI. So let's get into SEI right here. The chart is looking fantastic right here. Giant cup and handle pattern forming, which is indicative of a giant rally on the way. On top of that, indicators are looking solid. We're bullish here on the MACD. The RSI is tailing up. The WTX is tailing up as well. One thing I want to point out here is if we draw from the high to low, we're running into the 618 here at about 59.60 cents. That's the area that we really have to smash. If we did smash that on SEI, that's when we can start seeing some heavy movement to the upside, some volatile movement to the upside. Got to use that V word every now and again. And you can see the support at the confluence at that area at around that 60 cents. It will support back here, December 23, January 24. It was resistance here, June, July, April through July here. So that is an area to keep a very close eye on. Worst case scenario, something like this to put in a higher low and then rally on. So that's something I'm taking into consideration as well. I did get a position in on this coin, but if I start seeing a retracement, I might get out and then try to get back in at 39 cents. Because as we can see, that area right there, that is our area of support as well with this uptrend. Our uptrend resistance area, we're actually forming some sort of channel. So what we're kind of looking for is if we break above, that 60 cents range, that's when we're going to start moving here. And if we get rejected, we're most likely coming back down a little bit and then rallying to the upside. I'm not too worried about it. I'm extremely bullish on this coin in the bull run. I like how small the market cap is. I like that it's never seen a bull run before. And some people might not like this, but I'm actually going to compare it to the Sui's chart. I'm really bullish on Sui as well. But if I look at Sui here, I think it's same price scale, right? Yeah, if we look at Sui here, look at the charts. Look how similar the charts are to each other. It's just Sui's already ran. Look at Sui already ran. It's like exactly the same. Sui's this red one right here. We put in the double top high. We put in a high in Sui, high in Sui, put in a high in C, high on C. We had the slight retracement. We had the and then we had the cup and handle pattern, and then the heavy breakout to the upside for Sui. So in turn, I think that SEI is on the cusp of that. So that's the only reason. That's the reason why I wanted to compare it. Another thing that we can possibly do here is kind of match the charts with one another, and you can kind of see the similarities of SEI to Sui. And Sui's already gone parabolic. Well, Sui's at a $10 billion market cap. That's only at a $2 billion. So that's 5x from where we're currently at. I think it's easily attainable. And I think as of right now, we're currently in like this phase right here, the one that was in Sui, and then it started running. I think this thing's getting ready to rally to the upside as well, which means altcoins on SEI are going to go parabolic, absolutely parabolic once SEI starts breaking out, which is why I did pick up some SEI altcoins. I picked up one SEI altcoin particularly, and I'm going to do that video right after this one. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.